Hello everyone, what a pleasure it is to welcome you for another immersion into the heart of creativity and excellence. Settle in comfortably, adjust your chair or your sofa, because what we are about to experience together is simply exceptional. Today, I am taking you to the very front row of the Rahul Mishra Spring-Summer 2024 show at Paris Fashion Week, a sensory experience that goes far beyond a simple fashion show. On your screens, you will witness a breathtaking celebration of nature, where the mysterious world of insects and reptiles unfolds with refinement and poetry. From the very first looks, attention is captivated by an abundance of details. Each silhouette is a vibrant tribute to biodiversity. Each embroidery tells a story. One immediately senses that Mishra does not simply enhance through form. He invites us to rethink our relationship with creatures that are often ignored or feared. In this collection entitled Superheroes, the designer elevates these discreet little beings that inhabit our environment to the status of icons. The nod to H. Lawrence is subtle and elegant. As the show unfolds, a model appears like a vision from a dream, enveloped in a monumental black circle reminiscent of a petri dish. There, an enormous firefly lights up on a captivating dress, a visual spectacle of rare intensity. At that precise moment, it becomes clear that Mishra not only sought to dazzle the eyes but also to awaken awareness of the urgent need to preserve this fragile balance. What is also striking is the absolute virtuosity of the artisans. Meticulous hand embroidery, patterns perfectly reproducing delicate scales and wings, and plays of shimmering materials that capture the light like so many precious sparkles. The latticework of Indian windows recurs as a graphic leitmotif, evoking childhood memories when insects would enter our homes through these open-work spaces. It's a touch of nostalgia blended with the modernity of the cuts. I love this way in which Mishra connects past and present. The wardrobe presented today is simply irresistible. Spectacular dresses that embrace the contours of the body, golden jackets with a majestic look, sophisticated yet comfortable trousers. And then there are those jeans adorned with multicolored moths paired with shiny black headbands. The contrast between casualness and elegance here reaches its peak. As for the colors, prepare to be dazzled. Vibrant raspberry, energetic lime green, deep azure blue. The palette explodes as a tribute to the vitality of the living world. I am sincerely amazed by the message conveyed by Rahul Mishra. He brilliantly succeeds in transforming our perception of small creatures into true works of art worthy of admiration. This show is not simply a feast for the eyes. It encourages everyone to take a new look at nature and its fragile yet essential inhabitants. In conclusion, this Rahul Mishra collection is an ode to life, nature, and the hidden beauty of invisible beings. It reminds us that fashion, beyond mere appearances, can be a powerful source of wonder and reflection. I hope this review has given you a better understanding of the richness of this extraordinary show. If you enjoyed this analysis, please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It encourages me to continue bringing you even more exclusive content. A thumbs up or a comment from you would be greatly appreciated. For example, tell me which creature or creation impressed you the most in this show. I will read your feedback with great pleasure. I wish you an excellent viewing experience for the rest of the show. And to end on a lighter note, did you know that in 1947, Christian Dior named one of his suits Seagull, cicada, in tribute to the insect symbolizing rebirth? It goes to show that fashion has always known how to draw inspiration from the unexpected corners of nature. Thank you again for your loyalty, and see you very soon for more stylistic discoveries.